Cultural tourism offers travelers a unique opportunity to immerse themselves in the traditions, history, and customs of a destination. It goes beyond sightseeing, inviting visitors to engage with local communities, savor authentic cuisines, and experience rituals and festivals that have been passed down through generations. Whether wandering through ancient ruins, exploring world-class museums, or participating in hands-on workshops, cultural tourism fosters a deeper appreciation for the diversity and richness of human heritage. At the heart of cultural tourism is the exchange between visitors and hosts. Travelers gain new perspectives as they learn about different ways of life, while local communities benefit from the economic and social opportunities tourism can bring. Artisans share their crafts, musicians perform traditional melodies, and storytellers breathe life into legends. These encounters create meaningful connections that often leave lasting impressions long after the journey ends. Cultural tourism also plays a vital role in preserving history and identity. By supporting local traditions and historical sites, travelers contribute to the protection of cultural heritage for future generations. This form of tourism encourages the revitalization of the traditional arts, languages, and practices that might otherwise fade away in a rapidly changing world. However, responsible cultural tourism requires sensitivity and respect. It is essential for visitors to approach new environments with an open mind, honoring local customs and avoiding behaviors that might disrupt or commodify sacred spaces and ceremonies. Sustainable practices, such as choosing locally owned accommodations and supporting ethical tour operators, ensure that tourism benefits the community in meaningful ways. Ultimately, cultural tourism is a journey of discovery, one that enriches both the traveler and the host. It reminds us that, despite our differences, we are connected by shared stories, dreams, and the universal desire to belong. Through cultural exploration, we celebrate the mosaic of humanity and the beauty that arises when worlds meet.